Morning students of standard 9, welcome in day 21. As you know that in day 20 I have discussed about acceleration, the value of the magnitude of acceleration due to gravity on the earth, and we have discussed about acceleration due to gravity on the moon. Today I will continue the same topic and we will find the value of acceleration due to gravity on the moon. Then after we will compare what is the magnitude, what is the differences between magnitude of acceleration due to gravity on the moon and acceleration due to gravity on the earth. So kindly request to all of you, please sit with me and notebook and science book, turn page number 140. Okay, see here page number 140 and see the topic value of G on the moon. Student, I have discussed about formula F is equal to G mm by r square. So we will find to acceleration due to gravity on the moon from this formula. Okay. First of all, here we know that mass of moon mm is equal to 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Okay. Mass of moon is equal to 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Radius of moon equal to 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Now apply the formula small g is equal to g m by r square. Okay, here you have to find the acceleration due to gravity on the moon, so you will put here m, g m gravity on the moon equal to capital G mm mass of the moon and rm radius of the moon square. Okay, now put the value of g mm and rm. You know capital G value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Capital G 6.67 into 10 to the minus 11 into mass of moon 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg and radius of moon 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. Okay. Now GM is equal to 6.67 into 7.4 and base 10, both are same, so power should be added. So 10 to the power minus 11 plus 22. Okay, 1.74, 1.74. You will write here two times because it is a square form. 1.74 into 1.74 and 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. Now GM is equal to 6.67 into 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 minus 11, 10 to the power 11. Okay, 1.74 into 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 plus 6, 12. Okay. Now remove the decimal places. 1 to 2 digit, so you will put here 20, 1 digit after decimal, so you will put here 10, remove decimal and then 1 to 2 digit, you will put here 20, 2 digit, put 20. Okay, 20 cancel out, 10 cancel out. Now GM is equal to 667 into 74 by 174 into 134 into 10 to the power 11 into 10 to the power here 10 there, so 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power, now it becomes 10 to the power minus 12. Okay. Now 667 into 24 it becomes 49358 by 174 into 174 it becomes 30276 into 10 to the power 11 plus 1 12, 12 minus 12, that means it cancel out, it becomes 1. 10 to the power 0, any power of any digit becomes 0, sorry 1. Okay, so this becomes 1.63 meter per second square. So we can say that acceleration on the moon, acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1.63 meter per second square, and you know that acceleration due to gravity on the earth is 9.8 Newton. Just compare what is the difference between acceleration due to gravity on the moon and on the earth. Okay, gravity on moon by gravity on earth. Okay, you know gravity on moon is 1.63 and gravity of moon is earth is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, when you will divide here, it becomes across 1 by 6 times. When you will divide 9.8 by 1.63, then it becomes 6.01. So we can say that its value is approx 1 by 6 times. Okay. So GM by GE is equal to 1 by 6, or GM is equal to 1 by 6 into GE. Then we can say that GE is equal to, this goes to 6 into GM. 6 into GM. So student, we can say that the acceleration due to gravity on the earth is 6 times. The acceleration due to gravity on the earth is 6 times the acceleration due to gravity on the moon. Okay, or you can say either this gravity acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1 by 6 times the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. So we can say that acceleration due to gravity on the moon is less than the acceleration due to gravity of the earth, or acceleration due to gravity of the earth is greater than the acceleration due to gravity on the moon. Now students, say next topic, relation between a small g and capital G on the earth. That means what is the value of capital G and small g, you know very well. Small g is 9.8 Newton and capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the minus 11. Okay, so you will find the how many times is greater than capital G or small g. So let us here, we know that F is equal to GM ME by RE square, this is equation 1, and F is equal to mg GE gravity on the equation 2. Okay, now from equation 1 and 2, left hand equal, you will to right hand equal. Okay, mg is equal to gm me by RE square, m cancel out, then it becomes g is equal to gme by RE square. Okay, now put here, use transpose rule, g becomes denominator as ge by g. ge by g is equal to me by RE square. Okay, then ge by g is equal to, put the value of me, mass of earth, you know very well, 6 into 10 power 24 kg, RE radius of earth 6.4 into 10 power 6 whole square. GE by G is equal to 6 into 10 power 24, and this becomes 64 into 64, 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6. 6.4 into 6.4, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6. Remove decimal here, you will put here 10. Remove decimal, put 10. Now it becomes 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 1. G by G is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, into 10 to the power, this becomes 12 and it goes to upside, so it becomes minus 12. G by G is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 26 minus 12. Okay, by 64 into 64, 4096. G by G is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 14 by 4096. Now you will put take here 3 zeros. Okay, so it becomes 6000 and it goes 3 zeros, then it becomes 10 to the power 11 by 4096. So we can say that G is equal to 1.46. When you divide 6000 by 4096, then it becomes 1.46 into 10 to the power 11 capital G. Okay, so G is equal to 146. You will remove, just take 2 zeros. Okay, so it becomes 146 into 10 to the power 9 times the gravitational constant. So we can say that acceleration due to gravity on the earth is 140 million times greater than the gravitational constant. Students, I hope you understood very well about the relationship between small g and capital G. Now it's time for your homework. Write down homework. The value of small g and capital G, and which time it greater than small g as compared to capital G. Okay, so you will write here, write the relationship between small g and capital G on the earth. Student, today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.